Did we lose Josh?
I think so.
He's gone.
Forever.
Everything is
What? 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 What is it?
When did you get here?
This isn't the shop. What?
Did you take an Uber over here?
I did. Yeah.
How much was that?
It was like $450.
Yeah, it's about 2 hours to get here.
Right, I know.
You didn't take an Uber over here. Lizzie brought you here. You are being wild right now. Here, take your horse and go sit on the couch.
Why?
Why?
You got mom over there on the cell phone doing something. We got the kid that's...
Every goddamn time you're vlogging, I look like
You know what?
It's vlogging, not blogging.
same thing.
She's Russian, bro. It's like...
And you got Josh over there on his...
Oh, hey.
I've never seen a laptop that big.
I don't think we've ever seen Josh outside of Twin Peaks.
Probably not. So we're here in Fredericksburg. We have Maria
Well,
over
this
here.
one loses at
Hold on.
Twin Peaks all the time too.
Well,
Lizzie, did you drink Red Bull?
No.
why?
I hate Red Bull.
What do you
Oh,
mean you hate Red Bull? That's good for you.
Yeah.
Why do you hate them?
They're not good for me.
They're
are
not
good for you.
They're not good for anybody.
There's monsters out there! It's Jurassic Park. So, how much light is out here?
there's not very much light out here.
There's like no light out here, right?
Yeah.
Smoking inside shall incur a $300 penalty. I thought that said $3,000. All right, so we came up to Fredericksburg because we're doing that project on the Ferrari Scuderia. Are you coming out?
Yeah.
So we came up here because it's like really nice up here. There's a bunch of roads, open roads, curvy roads. So we figured we'd go out and drive it. Drone shots, all kinds of other shots.
Yep.
We'd show you the car, but it's kind of
It's a black car at night.
car at night.
So we're shooting the Scud for B-roll and...
Yeah, so we're getting B-roll for our documentary that we're going to be putting together before we take the car apart next week and start the conversion process. So that's going to be a serious video. This one we're probably just going to bullshit around a little bit, but that other video is definitely going to be serious. So yeah.
Where are we going?
Ready? We got to stop at Walmart. We got to go to Walmart real quick so we can get that cable. And then we'll go get food. Lizzie, you ready?
No. I'm not ready.
You gotta leave because we're gonna lose them. Here we go. Here we go.
Take him with you.
All right,
It's
take
fine.
him with. Come on, let's go. Spoiled.
Isn't it crazy that he made that?
Right. I see it. I see it
Hasn't
though.
lost her yet?
I see it.
Where's yours?
Ooh.
That's just the word, you know,
Hurry, come on.
double your frame rate for a cinematic look. So if you're shooting in 30p, then you can go to 1/60th.
Double your frame rate, double your fun.
Not double your frame rate, double your shutter speed. Well, double your frame rate for the 80%.
Double your frame rate, double your shutter speed. You get quadruple the effects.
So we're at Walmart.
We're at Walmart. Dude, that's cool. That's what we need.
Oh yeah, for sure.
We need a van like that. Oh shit, he needs an APR tune. Hey, Josh, probably not a good idea to buy beer if we're gonna get up at 5:28 in the morning to shoot video, right?
No, wrong.
I mean, that's just the
Absolutely wrong.
I
consensus.
think you should still
Good,
watch.
how are you?
I think you should still do it.
We should?
That's my
For sure.
professional opinion.
It's a professional opinion.
Right. V8?
Bloody Marys?
What?
Bloody Marys?
If you drink a V8, does it turn your 4-cylinder into a muscle car?
You turn your stomach into 8 cylinders of doom. All 1.89 liters of V8
Oh damn.
belong to us. Is this good? That's good, right? It's one of these.
That's great.
Little pineapple, strawberry things. Josh went beer hunting already. He's gone. Hey Josh, want some pickles? Hey, did you leave your camera somewhere? Where's your camera?
I don't know.
We'll get it.
I think it got lost in all the Kool-Aid. That's not Kool-Aid.
It's pretty. No, that's not. It's Gatorade.
Dude, I haven't seen this since I was a kid, bro. When I grew up with this stuff.
What is that? Kool-Aid? I know. I drank that
Kool-Aid
shit
stuff.
too.
Yeah, hell
I
yeah.
drank that shit when we played hockey outdoors. Roller hockey. And made us vomit after we ordered a whole
I mean,
box of Domino's pizza.
I mean, what if I was like a young kid and I just wanted to put this little piece in my mouth and choke on it? Like,
Well, they're still around.
I know they're for big kids now.
12 large
I like your
white eggs.
I like your eggs there.
12 large white eggs.
Hey, there's sausages.
Hey Josh, I found your little thing. Should we just get the bottles? Just 12 bottles? Right?
Yeah.
Because if we have
This video is brought to you
12
by
not Bud Light.
Metco.
We're only getting 12, so it's fine. That means it's 4 each, unless you drink some that's 2.5 each. Where's that butter? Butter.
Oh, butter.
Ow!
What? What just happened?
This is what happens when you play hockey. You break while you walk.
Yeah, you old man.
Just break. Butter.
Maybe you need some
The
butter.
light one. I need the light one. Let me take this one. We need some bread. Get up in the morning and vlog in the morning
Yes.
while we're making breakfast and shit.
Did we lose Josh?
I think so.
He's gone.
Forever.
Right. It's not good.
He's gonna have to Uber.
Right. We lost Josh.
We lost Josh.
Hey, where you at?
I was gonna ask you, where are you at, little pony?
I'm trying to find you walking around aimlessly.
What?
Yeah.
For
We're,
days.
Where are you guys?
Just follow the sound of my phone.
Do you got to check out?
No, we're all the way on the other side, like by the home supply and
Oh, okay. All right. They didn't have XLR cable, so
fail.
yeah, epic fail, and there's nowhere in town to buy it. So fuck.
No. So we have our breakfast. We have Thomas English muffins, little wieners, eggs, and Bud Light.
Yeah. Perfect. Perfect. I like it here.
All right, we'll
cool.
meet you at checkout. Bye.
Oh, we found you.
No XLR cables.
You've been wandering around for days in Walmart.
No, famished, obviously.
So what he's trying to say
Damage
is
to
no,
Walmart.
no XLR cables are belong to Walmart.
Ah,
Hey, where's my wife and my kid?
watch out.
They're gone. Leave them.
Where's the register? Honey, come on. The kid's giving me a dirty look. I'm gonna send Lizzie over there to take that ball away from you.
What are you doing,
I'm leaning because my back hurts.
old man?
Some food now?
Say it again.
We're gonna go find some food now. Some freshly brewed brews of Fredericksburg. Heads up. I gotta put this away. So we're here. I'm gonna get some food, some fresh brews, and we'll start shooting tomorrow.
You got it.
You're a pumpkin. Why are you throwing your balls at me?
What?